Good morning, my name is Paul. Now, there are some cars that are designed and built to cover lots of different eventualities. Family vehicle, something to put lots of space in, something which is high enough to see over the traffic, something which has enough specification to be interesting and have lots of toys to play with. And the Audi Q3 is one of those cars. The car behind me is a 2019 Q3 45 TFSI S-Line. I'd like to show you around. So this is a 2019 car. It has a lovely service history with it, and it's finished in white. And as you can see, it is a 45 TFSI Quattro. So what does that mean? Well, the 45 TFSI engine is a 2-litre engine, and in this case, it produces 227 brake horsepower. So it goes really well. It's a nice amount of horsepower for the size of the car. And my experience with 4-cylinder Audi engines, especially the petrol ones, is that they have been some of the smoothest 4-cylinder engines I think I've driven out anywhere. So, and I've done a few miles in this car. I collected it recently, and I can tell you that this is a very smooth, quite powerful car, and it's also very reasonable on fuel. Now, obviously the car sits up a little bit higher, so that gives you a more commanding view on the road. So in terms of safety, you get to see what's happening in front of you longer than you would have done under any other circumstance. It has the Quattro all-wheel drive system, and I think the Audi Quattro system is one of the best four-wheel drive systems on the market. In terms of slippery conditions and snow and what have you, it is absolutely brilliant. And of course it works very, very well in a car like this. Now I'm just going to pop open the boot, which you can see is an electric tailgate, and you have a nice amount of space inside. If I push the button, you can see that closes on its own quite nicely, and you can see the Quattro badge on the back. So the S-Line is the more sporty version. You can see here some nice design cues, Bang & Olufsen surround sound system, opening glass roof, and these really nice sporty seats with part leather, part fabric, 3 proper seat belts in the back, and child points, ISOFIX child securing points, but very nicely kept. Inside and out. Again, it has the comfort and sound package, which basically means it has all the options that you'd like to have. So Bang & Olufsen sound system. You've got electric door mirrors, which are heated, central locking, S-Line sports steering wheel with this really nice decorative stitching all the way around the outside, automatic headlamps, and you've also got Alcantara on these seats, as well as the fabric and the leather, the S-Line logo on the seat backs. So if I jump in and close the door, put my foot on the brake and turn the key, you can now see it's due an oil service. It's just telling me it's due an oil service, which we will do when we sell. Currently sitting with 48,092 miles on the clock. Now we can change the view here. So if I push this button here, you can see that that's changed the view. This is a virtual cockpit, and I can use these arrows now to flick through between the different views, and one of those views is a full-length navigation, which you can see there. That makes driving a lot easier, because when you're looking just down rather than down there to see where you're going, the safety is paramount. But of course, if you wanted to see your speed and your rev counter and what have you, you can do. have it just in the center, so that works really nicely. You can see here that we've got a cruise control and speed limiter, heated seats, dual zone climate control, automatic DSG gearbox, and the navigation system, which also has CarPlay. Now I'm just going to close the roof because it's just started raining for the second time today. So all in all, it's a very nice, comfortable car to drive. It's got plenty of space. It's an Audi, so the build quality is good. And you can see from the walk around here that it's in nice shape. So I hope you like the car. I hope you like the video and find the video useful. If you'd like to know more about the car, please visit our website, www.bramshawebv.com. Drop us an email, drop us a text or WhatsApp, or simply pick up the phone and speak to us. We'd love to talk to you about it. Thanks for watching.